Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're not kicking me. You're not kicking me.
I'll get your smelly armpit.
I'll get your smelly feet.
Let me go. Let me go.
I'll make you get out.
Gotta give Papa a hug.
Don't do it.
No what?
I want to be with you. I'm swimming. I'm swimming. Look at me. I'm swimming.
You are doing good. Right over to the ladder. Give me another one.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to jump right in again and do it again.
Want me?
Hold on. You gotta protect the dogs.
Nah, you don't need Papa. You know how to do it by yourself.
Nah, you don't need me. Get out of the way.
Oh man, all that work.
I can swim. Want me to swim from all the way over there?
Okay.
You want to get out? You're gonna be
Can
out
you do it?
for a little while.
Oops. She's pretty sneaky, isn't she? I did. Let's get a good picture of you. Right up close. Don't close your eyes though, okay? Ah, good picture.
Can I see?
You can in a little bit. Yeah, when you come out. You can't see now because you get it wet. Okay?
Now you want me to swim all the way back?
I do. Come on. Good push off.
And then you want me to stand somewhere and wave?
Right there. Can you do it right there?
Oh, no, stop.
Look at you. Ah, you can do it right in the middle of the pool. Michaela, I'm so proud of you. You're really good.
I'm going to try it here.
You want me to show you what a cannonball is?
No.
Ready?
I am. Except Papa's in the... There you go. There's that Esther Williams wave.
Now you want me to swim all
Want
the
you-
way over there or over here?
Over there and get the silver float.
By yourself?
All the way in. Good girl. Come on, get those arms and legs moving. Keep kicking. See how much faster you go if you kick? Are you singing us a song, Jaden?
Roll, roll, roll your boat.
Yeah.
Alright, see you later.
You're bringing that float all the way back, Michaela? Good girl. You're bringing that back?
Yep.
Good girl. Look at you go.
I'm bringing this up there because this one's dangerous and you can fall off of it.
Nah.
Yeah, look, it has no sides.
So yeah, you put your butt in the middle of it. And then it sinks down in. Papa lays on it, and so does Mimi.
Cooking your hot dogs.
Thank you.
Crocodile.